is a 1.5 mount. And you're gonna pinch your throw hand pointer on these two strings facing upward. Swing the yo-yo behind this formation. Now your pointer's facing back. You're gonna roll it outwards and to the front, making sure none of these drop off. Step 2, you're gonna swing the yo-yo to the left and intercept the string all the way on the right with your non-throw hand pointer and hop onto that same string. Next, you're gonna swing the yo-yo up onto this front string, hit it, and out to the front. Alternatively, you can just swing to the left and instantly hop out to the front, skipping the other step. And next, you're gonna swing to the right and onto that front string. Once we're here, you're gonna take your non-throw hand thumb, separate these strings, and insert your throw hand thumb in between them. Pull this string back and let this middle string slide to the front of your pointer so you have a big gap like so. Now that we're here, you're gonna hop the yo-yo over this middle string and back onto the bottom string. Now we're here, you're gonna swing to the left, hit these two strings, and land on the middle string that's on the bottom. Next, you're gonna curl your non-throw hand pointer inwards, pulling that string there, and then you're gonna drop everything on your throw hand. Now we're in this mess, you're gonna put your non-throw hand under your throw hand. You have this, you're just gonna hop a small hop to the front. Now you're in a regular green triangle. Another hop, you're out, no knots.